Okay, we have some industrial strength cleaning that we need to do on the brakes. If you're going to do something like that, you got to have ammunition. So here's your ammo. This comes under the category of I'm not asking. Oven cleaner is actually lye, and to this day one of the best grease removers known. That's no random reason that they use it to clean ovens. And we have a 1948 Chrysler. That makes it 74 years old, and the La Brea tar pits have nothing on this greasy, horrible, slimy mess. So here we go. I don't really care about the brake shoes, but I don't really want to get my tools in here and get them all slimed up until I get this grease off. Now you've got to keep your head on straight. With oven cleaner, it's lye, it's caustic, and it can do a number on your eyeballs, especially your cornea. It can dissolve your cornea in a second. So, word to the wise. Keep your brain engaged. And we're going to let that sit on there. So, let's see what we got going on here. Okay, that didn't work too badly, but we're going to give it another coat of oven cleaner. Once I get the shoes off, we'll have to do this again, but if I put my brake tools on here without cleaning this goop off of here, I'd have to throw them away. So we're going to let that sit a while. So we've had a chance for the oven cleaner to work. This is the second application, which is pretty much what I expected it would take. There still will be more after this, but at least I can get all the parts removed and not destroy my tools.